everything tired in. Yeah, and on a mission. This pretty so far, man. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Alright, so after lunch we were heading to our rooms. The villas are a little bit of a distance away from the restaurants, so we had to get a ride, like a shuttle, with our luggages. And of course, we're on vacation, so we're going to overpack. It took a while to check in because of some confusion, and also because I think they were not quite ready after COVID, after Beryl. But here we are in our room. Wasn't bad. Looked okay. Typical hotel room, and they managed to pull this off after Beryl. So hats off to them. This is a life. Get me in trouble.
This one is called
What is that one called?
this one is called a mudslide.
What?
Mudslide.
Must say?
Mudslide.
Mudslide. Okay. Oh yeah, mudslide.
There you go. One get in trouble.
Thank you.
Well, this is us having a drink while we wait at the steakhouse. The food was worth it though, but that was just too much patience on our part.
2 hours, I mean, hope it worth it.
It's a one
Jesus, I'm thinking. Morning. Oh, yeah, till we wake up. So the on the beach from morning. Now come. Oh, there's a nice little duck down there, so. I come get myself ready for breakfast. Walking along the beach side is so. But me too. Just when I was about to. Nice little calming video. So nice and calming. Me just got butt me too. The water look rough though. I would never venture into that water. You need this walk sometimes just to clear your head and just be by yourself. Relax, away from the crowd, the noise, the world. Just I believe in quiet, still moments where you just gather yourself. Go for the water for me. Once I want to catch me in the air, water. I love nature. Oh, people that behind me still vlog. I don't know, I thought I was making a video with myself. It's video in the place. So this is me on the side. Just taking it in. And regrouping, you know. Warm out here though, it's really warm. It's not even cool and it's just after 6. It's not cool at all. Very, very warm. Unfortunately, this was the only water sport we got to do because they were still cleaning up, but it was still fun. Heading to dinner. We made reservation for Italian restaurant. So we're looking forward to having a beautiful time. Let me watch my step coming along while let me a girl vlog and go drop. Look at the view. And this is after 6. It's like almost 7 o'clock. It's summer, baby. Summer! Alright, so after making a whole reservation on the app for Italian restaurant, we showed up and they were closed. So this is us checking into an Indian restaurant, which of course wasn't bad. Indian food doesn't disappoint no matter where you go, but maybe our tummy wasn't used to something. But overall, the service was good and the food was well presented. So yeah, I give them a 7 out of 10. That's lamb, and this is the famous butter chicken. That's what it's actually called. Cumin rice and garlic naan. Because how can you have Indian food without naan? Yeah.
Yo, so I continue to A1 day. Beach one avenue, girls were hot, wearing less than bikinis, rock man ball.
jerk chicken and then something there. Yeah. Please. Good morning. On my way to breakfast. After the party last night, the all-white party, I couldn't make 6 after 9. I usually would be at breakfast by now, but it is what it is. You wake up anytime and go where you go anytime. Kawa. No responsibility. Vacation, we say. They're still cleaning up after the hurricane ravished the place. Well, never ravished, but some trees are still down and stuff like that. One more time before we go. One last chance. One more time in the water.